Good afternoon, Algebros. Don't forget hit like, subscribe with the bell. So, last day of review before our test tomorrow. All right, so number one. What type of function? Okay. Our A is 2, so this is a stretch 2. Our K is -3, so this is down 3. All right. On the purple sheet from Friday, did anybody see if they're like these functions are in the same order? They probably are. All right, number 2. What function? Oh my goodness. My pen is doing this weird thing today. All right. Our A is -3. This means that it's flipped and then stretch 3. All right. What's our H value? 0. Okay, so nothing. K is 4, so this is up 4. Sorry. Number 3, function. Quadratic. All right. Our A value, 1/4. So we have a shrink of 1/4. Our H, let's see, it's written as +2, so our H value is -2. This is left 2. Our K is -2, so it is down 2. All right, so now there's lots of points going on in part 1. Okay, now remember, if you happen to get any of this wrong up here, it's going to affect this right here. So I would only take points on if you labeled your A, H, and K wrong. All right. Part 2. All right. Oh, I did the highlighter thing again. Dadgummit. X plus 2. All right, that doesn't change. So I'm translating 4 units up. So my K value is 7. I'm adding 4. 7 plus 4 is 11. That's really the only thing that changes, okay? Wow. I mean, struggle bus today. All right. So K value is 1. I'm going 6 units down. So this is -5. All right. So again, for part 2, I would do an example like K value goes here. It's probably going to be 4 units up and 6 units down for 4 and 5 tomorrow. The only thing that's going to change is the functions and the K values. I mean, I can try to get super creative and put a whole bunch of different things. No? Okay. Yep. All right. So, number 6. Now, part 3. You're multiplying the A and K values by -1. Yep. So this would be -2. So again, if you happen to mess this up here, that's where the points come off. All right. My A is -3, so that becomes +3. My K is 5, so -5. All right.
It's going to be on the test exactly like this. Every step like this.
Just about it, yeah. I mean, so, like, I think somebody asked Jack about how many questions is going to be on the test. How many questions are on this practice test? 9. Guess how many problems on your test tomorrow? 9. Okay? So there are 2 handouts that we've had that we've went over that, I mean, like I said, super similar to what we're going to have tomorrow. So that way, you know, you come in tomorrow, you get that test, you shouldn't say, I ain't never seen anything like this. Okay? So, now, if that's the case, then I'll give you my contact at TOC. We'll see if we can get you a schedule to get a cranial rectomotomy. It's where you have to have your head surgically removed from your butt. Yeah. All right. So what's happening in our Y values right here? Yep. So that goes there. My Y value in X is 0. So X is 0 right here. So that's +20. Yeah, I gotta put the plus because, wait, yeah. Yeah, you gotta put the plus. Yep, sorry.
If I forget, it'll be like 2 points on it.
It's -1. Or maybe -0.5. All right. All right, are we good? Number 8. All right, number 9. Mr. Jeffries measured the number of students that were actively engaged a lesson over time. All right, so we go right here because this is where it repeats. 25 is our K. Not and 25. Plus 25. Okay. Above K is our H. Now, how do I go from our K value to our next value? -5. That's our A value. Now, as stated previously, it's actually easier on my part to do the charts than it is to do the graph, because it's actually easier to do. I have to search for the graphs, or I have to try to like come up with one or something. It's just easier to do this. Now, again, I hope y'all are actually understanding that it's more important to know the setup more than the problem. This whole right here is 6 points. Writing it out is 3 points. Doing this is twice as important as the answer. Okay? So if you've had years of taking tests on like some type of online software where it's, you know, all you're getting is the answer, That's not me. I kind of want you to think it out. All right, believe it or not, that's our lesson. Don't forget, like, subscribe to the bell. You can leave a good note. Good stuff, good things. For Roll Tide.